A lot of high sugar concentrate drinks are also a no-no. Yeah, I get organic haldi from my farm, and we make this kadha, which we make the children also drink. And earlier, I used to give it to them only when they had a slight cough or a cold or something, and I would give it to them at least twice a day. But now we've been taking it on a regular basis because of this COVID-19, scare. So we take it is a mixture of a little bit of ajwain, long, kali miri, pure organic haldi, adrak, and then you boil it together and a pinch of pure ghee, and that's what we drink every day, at least one mug every day. I love